Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so the steps work. Make sure your iPhone has battery and the latest OS. Once done, unlock with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Open Settings and go to Accessibility immediately. This route avoids menus that often hide the option. You're doing this to restore the Assistive Touch virtual button, which lives under touch controls. Proceed now to the next screen and don't skip authentication prompts because the system requires them for accessibility changes. Once inside Accessibility, tap Touch and then Assistive Touch to reach the core switch. You must toggle Assistive Touch on for the floating button to appear. You can customize the top-level menu now by adding useful shortcuts like Home, Siri, or Control Center. This saves time later. Assign single tap, double tap, and long press actions so the virtual button behaves like you expect. Make sure to test each assignment by tapping the new button and confirming the response before moving to final checks. Finish by confirming the Assistive Touch icon is visible and draggable. You can reposition it to any edge for less interference. If the float icon doesn't appear, restart your device to clear temporary glitches, then check accessibility again. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or install any pending OS updates, because outdated software can block features. A key troubleshooting tip: if Assistive Touch vanishes after a restart, toggle it off and on again, and verify that no configuration profile or device management policy is restricting accessibility features.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.